hope I know the words to this one.
Ever since I have been rapping, the thing that hold me back it has always been my voice. No choice but to say that I'm magic. Swear to God, if I got a voice like Curtis, wanna ball about a year ago for certain. But instead of everything in life got purpose. Market versus shirtless Urbis, filling up a bag on a vaporizer. Taking me higher, say to the choir, telling me to wish that I was tame and quieter. Should I change my sound up? Try to fit the scene, but all these YouTube comments telling you don't go mainstream. So let me get this straight. At first you wouldn't listen, but when they switch the sound up, every one of you is bitching. Like, I remember him back in the day, before everybody else heard of him, yay. Now he sound like everybody else. I wonder why the motherfucker went and sold out. Not the first to like it, but first one it just go. First one on the bandwagon, so now you think you're cool. As soon as others hop on, you say nah, this ain't me, and complain about that artist, and y'all blame it on the mainstream. Fuck you, you ain't got no goddamn taste of your own. Can't form an opinion, so you need to be told who to like, what to eat, what to wear.